I decided I'm not gonna let anybody cramp my style.
This one
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know
I don't want to be in this cold weather anymore because at least I'm escaping it for a week. Like these things are not as comfortable as they look. I just boarded my first flight. I'm going to be taking connecting flights. So I'm still in Namibia now. Why my lips so dry? Here I'm going to be going to Joburg, and then from Joburg, Doha, and then from Doha to Dubai. So wish me luck. Yeah, so I'm excited. I guess I will see you guys when I land in SA.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot.
Hi, sweetie. So I just landed. Oh, before I say anything, I didn't properly introduce this vlog. So welcome to my Dubai vlog. Yo guys, I didn't even expect to be going on this trip, but like I feel like we'll talk about everything properly once I land like in Dubai. So I've just landed at the Tambo International Airport, and so now my next flight is only at 1. It's 11 now. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing.
For your safety, you are kindly requested to make use of airport accredited transport services. Please do not accept rides from unaccredited or unknown.
So now I don't even know where I'm supposed to go.
Further information can be obtained from the information desk.
Sorry, are you in the queue?
No, I'm not. So. In Ludrich.
Really?
Yes.
Seriously?
Serious.
Oh.
You have oil. Petrol.
I was finding out what people are doing at those counters because I wasn't
just
sure.
Make some.
Yeah.
I told her I'm from Ludrich. You're from where? Ludrich.
I said the same thing. Okay guys, so I found where I was supposed to go through, because usually I wouldn't go through like what do they call them? What do they call those gates? I don't know, but it's like usually, why is he minding my business? But usually I wouldn't go through the gate where you like go to like transit or to connect with other flights. So now I've already come through the boarding gate, and then now I need to find my boarding gate. But actually, not yet. I'm gonna find, oh, this is such a cute place. Must I sit here? No, I actually need to find a place where I can sit and charge my phone. Not in Bean. Let me show you guys the cute place. How pretty.
so
the rush. Tonight is when we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. You like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man gon' make you miss a damn shame. Come here, I knock you out the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. On my mind.
So guys, I'm tired, proper tired. Our flight landed at 3 now. At 3, as you can see, it's going for 5, and we're still waiting for our suitcases, child. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on.
The way it keeps coming in like 1 or 2 bags at a time, and then there's like 20 minutes in between.
It's so annoying, you know.
Bro, that guy keeps opening every bag. Oh my god.
I'm hungry. I have a headache.
We should spend here. You know, normally when places look like
Big Zeph. To me in public, I'm booking the driver. I got a money. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care what's been on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shredded. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. Been on my mind, as soon as I get back, shit and shredded. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm investing in a dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm going out of slave. I had that shot, not too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane.
So guys, I'm about to give you guys a room tour because I know I've been showing you guys a bunch of content, you know, because we arrived at the hotel, we're checking in, and I think you guys might have seen that like we went on a little excursion just to like check the vibes, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like, because I'm about to change and then go to the, what do you call it, the beach, not the beach, not the beach, the sky, what, like infinity pool vibes. Because guys, it's hot. When people tell you it's hot in Dubai, name, don't take it lightly. It is not the normal one. It's hot as hell, baby.
Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's wrong. Don't get my feelings hurt. I'm starting to be one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Double it, double it, double it. Give me something to react. Keep me up and dance. Give me something to react. I'm a vibe today. I'm a vibe today. I'm a vibe today. I'm a vibe today. Building a fire in the savannah. Love and desire, love and desire. Building a fire in the savannah. Love and desire, love and desire. Don't let me fail you, don't let me fail you. You shaking the table, you shaking the table. Don't let me fail you, don't let me fail you. You shaking the table, you shaking the table. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's wrong. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time it might be one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt.
I decided I'm not gonna let anybody cramp my style. Nobody, no fucking body is gonna ruin this trip for me. Nobody, not even your mother. Maybe my mother, maybe her, but it won't be that deep. Nobody. My mother, at the least, my mother. But guys, so as you can see, your girl is bikinied up. So I'm gonna be going to the pool. I'm tired of vlogging on my phone. I just thought that vlogging on my phone is easier. Also because I'm with someone, and like, I know cameras intimidate people a lot. So I was trying to be, you know. So yeah, so guys, now I called somebody to come to the room there to come assist me with the TV. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna put on clothes. I'm not gonna put on clothes. So I'm not gonna put on clothes, and then he's gonna come and be like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm joking. But like, yeah guys, I can't get over this view. I cannot get over this view. But yeah guys, I'm waiting for the guy to come so that he can connect my phone to the TV. Then I can play my Afro beats. Are you getting? And then I can be in my vibes. So yeah guys, that's what's happening. I'll talk to you guys again when we go up to go drink, because my man already told me that no, like if you want to drink something, because he left. Ooh, I know I showed you guys this. I'm about to smell it because you guys know I'm a scent perfume enthusiast. So let's see what this, because it says it's a oud aya. It's a oud aya, and it's a hotel. It's, oh, I didn't tell you guys, I'm staying at Hotel Atlantis. I'm staying at Hotel Atlantis. Oh, chill. I can't smell anything. Okay, let's see. It smells expensive. Can I take it home to Dolam? I'm gonna spray it all over. I used to love Instagram, and I used to love going live on Instagram, but like, not anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the guy to come and then we'll talk again. Hi guys, so I hope this music isn't copyright music, but I'm at the pool and I was trying to vlog with my camera, but yo, I'll probably wipe off this makeup in a few. But yeah, so I was trying to vlog with my camera, but guys, it's so hot that like the camera is foggy as fuck. So
I'm gonna try and vlog with my phone, so I just wanna show you guys the file.
Like Pablo, cut through, chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water glass. See cars out, got me big by Verona. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, do run off with the figures. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'm watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Till the on the plane, going straight to the team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt that they do on my name, turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
Gotta roll over to you, gotta give a release. Spread your legs down, down, I'm going up the heat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on the boy, ever let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Eclipse. Close your eyes to get away. Just make my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless.
Good morning. Oh no, where did Fatal Seduction go? Oh no. Okay, let me first speak to you guys. Yo, it's cold. It's not cold, it's just cold in the room. Wait, I don't like, why do I look so red? This makes more sense. So It's Monday. Yo, okay, what was the last thing you guys saw me do? Okay, that was just yesterday. I was at the pool, and guys, vlogging with my camera now is a lie in this country because my camera fogs up immediately when I like switch it on because of the humidity. But today's Monday, so today we're gonna go to this garden place that I saw that is like, it's very pretty, you know, and I really want to go take pictures there. So he got someone to basically take me there and then take pictures of me because he's not trying to do that. And then no, first I'm gonna, the person that was hired to spend the day with me is gonna take me to the market, né? And then after that the person is gonna take me to that garden so that I can like take my pictures, you know. Yeah, but for now I'm just letting my phone charge because we're gonna have breakfast, but that's only at 2. It's like 10 now, so now I'm gonna let my phone charge until like 11 o'clock, and then I'm gonna go have breakfast because breakfast only ends at 12, and then I'm gonna come back to bed and then probably start getting ready at like, no, I probably won't come back to bed because if I'm gonna go eat at 11, I'm probably gonna eat from 11 to 12, come back, and then I have to start getting ready. So this is the only time I can take a nap. It was a lot of talking, but yeah guys, so that is the plan for the day. I look so seductive in this bed, guys, and these pillows are so nice and big. Like I wish you guys could see, like the pillow starts here and it ends there. Yeah man, I'm tired, but I'm about to watch some Netflix and then just like, yeah.
The dashboard, the screen,
I don't know. I think I'm gonna take off the makeup.
It's quite wide, I quite like that.
Because
anyway,
I don't know, I'm not liking it.
cool.
I don't know.
And you give.
But anyways guys, so I'm waiting for the driver to come
I think
so that I can start my day.
choice.
But I thought, hello. But let me just, no, let me pause.
But I have to
Let me pause.
keep in mind the fact that like this event was more of a formal event.
Okay, so what did I want to say? The driver is on his way, so I'm just waiting for him, and I just decided to wear this 2-piece because I was like, if I'm gonna be wearing that thing on top, like I wouldn't want to feel too hot, you get me? So I was thinking, what did I bring that's light enough? And I thought, there's 2-piece. So yeah, I don't know guys, I'm not feeling the makeup too much today. I even took I'm gonna be taking one of these what is this, one of these, I guess, fat laps with, because if something is poking me on, seriously, oh my gosh. But yeah, so that I can like wipe the makeup off. But now that I'm looking at it on camera, I don't like it. So I don't know, but I just wanted to let you guys know how far I've come in terms of the plans for today. So yeah.
When I wake up, I just wake up, thinking I can make this many songs. My lady, when I haven't met her, but she on me head, if I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been tempted in a song, and I'm really just intoxicated.
So guys, we came to this place. I don't know what to call it. It's like a supermarket, but they also have like shops there. But I didn't find thank you. I didn't find an abaya that I like. Oh, that's actually what it's called. It's called an abaya. I didn't find one that I liked, so now we're gonna go somewhere else. Then I can go look for another one because I want something pretty.
We on the tip, like the on my phone. We can do like anything you want. I'm a lady, let it to my lady. I just wanna play this in my catalog. Thinking I can make this mean songs about a lady, she be at the earth. way too reckless. I get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too western. Could you be my favorite? I'm just undressing all of these sections of my face. Think it too hard. Think it too hard. But I really wanna do it. I can make this many songs.
Maybe it can even be floral.
Okay.
But it must, the smell must stay for long. If I hug my boyfriend, he must smell like, yeah. Okay. Okay, put this one here. Okay, yeah. Ooh.
This is the rose.
Yeah. This is my vibe. Which one is your favorite?
Oud rose and that one.
So guys, I came to a perfume shop also, and then I was only supposed to get 1 or 2 things, but I ended up getting 4 perfumes. This is such a pretty view. I ended up getting 4, but like mini sizes. And then how much?
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
So guys, you know I was supposed to go to the other garden. I'm not going there anymore because apparently it's closed. Only opens during like November, December. So I came to Emirates Mall because I want to get a swimming costume because I only have one. And then I also want to get some slides. So yeah, I'm not going to vlog too much in the mall. Too many people.
Then a lady actually
I will.
made it be a role reality. And then he said just like yours, okay?
No.
So, sorry, my memory.
I was able to pause it. Good morning. I don't know what the last thing was you guys saw me through, but I think it was probably yesterday when I went to go look for the dresses. So I'm just going to show you guys the few things that I bought because why not? And I'm waiting for my food, so I'm like, let me pass time. So let me get that. Oh, I need to do this fast. My camera is about to die. Are you serious? Okay, so I'm not going to take these out fully and show you guys, but this is one of the dresses. If you want to see what the dress looks like, follow me on Instagreasy. Okay, so I bought 2 of them. So this is one. And then this one, you guys might have seen what it kind of looks like. I don't know. The one that was like this color. Yeah. Ooh, child. And then, because my flip-flops were not flip-flopping, I went to Zara and I went to go buy this. Wait. I bought another pair as well. I bought a, yeah. And then I also bought these. You can see my stuff. Yeah. I bought these in, okay, let me put this in there. And then I was like, oh. You guys remember when my Red Temptation, if you have been watching my vlogs for a while, you know that I got myself Red Temptation from Zara for the first time on a trip when I went to Joburg. And then I never basically I wasn't able to get it again. And then I bought myself this cute bag, guys. How cute. This is a River Island bag. It's so pretty, like it's so cute. But like I like making I'll make the handle shorter, but or even I can even wait, like I'll just use it like this as a clutch. And because I couldn't decide between that one and this one, I got both, child. How cute. Look at the detailing. Super pretty. Also, it's like a, you know, they basically look the same inside. So it has a space here, and then like any phone would fit because it's pretty long. So yeah. And then I bought these shades because they're so cute. They give that see-through vibe. Yeah, I bought these shades also. And then lastly, I got a few perfumes.
I got one perfume. I just want to show you guys the packaging is so cute because I bought like small ones, you know. So this is what it looks like here, right? And then I open it. It's not giving Lux Shem. And then these ones, how cute are they? Yeah. So guys, there's something that has been bothering me because there are people that are, I mean, there are certain people that are like, you know, not certain people, but let me just say this. There are people that are telling me about like, yeah, bringing them gifts and bringing them this and bringing them that. And I'm like, I feel like some people are, I don't know what to call it. There are people, I don't even own anything that they've given to me before. Like something tangible, something that I can say, yeah man, I got this thing from Sarafina. Do you understand? Whereas there are things that I've, like, for example, I bought things for some of, like, let's say for example, I bought you something for your birthday before because you asked for it, you wanted that thing. I made sure you got that thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? But when my birthday came around, you didn't do shit for my birthday. I didn't get anything for my birthday. And then now when I'm going on a trip, you want me to bring you stuff. Like sometimes, guys, let's just be realistic and let's just be honest with each other. You cannot be someone that doesn't do certain things for people, but now you see an opportunity, you want to jump on it and be like, yeah, no, you must also bring me this, bring me that, bring me that. And I'm like, cool, but like sometimes, guys, it's very important for you to also look within yourself and be like, but have I done these things or anything close to this for this person before? In the sense that, like, when it comes to now gift giving, do you understand? I want to solely focus on gift giving. You cannot expect people to buy you gifts and you know, always making this type of comments of somebody bringing you a gift or giving you what. But when it's the person's turn, you're just quiet. You've never done anything of that sort for that person before. So guys, I know, like, I'm already natural, like, not natural, I don't know if I can say naturally, but people that know me know I'm a I'm a selfish bitch, girl. I'm very selfish when it comes to like things, and I like things, you know, like, so especially when like comes to buying things and stuff like that, I wouldn't just do it. Like, there are some people that I know, for example, MJ is my best friend. MJ, for example, if she asks me, no, I must buy her something, I will buy her. No, I don't know if I'll necessarily buy exactly what she wants. Let's say now it's her birthday and she's like, no, she wants a gift, I will make sure that I get her a gift. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because year in and out, she always got me something for my birthday. So it always just feels right to do the same for her in return. Do you understand what I'm saying? So like, you build that type of relationship. So guys, if, I don't know if it's bad or whatever, but if you are somebody that's going to expect a gift from me on your birthday, make sure you get me something on my birthday, because that's the only way I'm gonna get you something on your birthday. And I know some of you guys might disagree with this or whatever, but like I said, I'm a very selfish person. Like, I feel like I shouldn't do things for people who don't do those things for me. So yeah, anyways guys, I don't know if you can hear my voice. I'm feeling a bit sick, like my nose is a bit blocked, but I really hope.
Guess who's going jet skiing? Are you coming with me?
You can't ride, can you?
No.
So you can't ride yourself. You want to bring you out to...
Man, no be God. Make them they talk. As you they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer. What's up, do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. First time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look.
So guys, what's gonna happen now is we're on the resort or on the wherever I stay, and then we're gonna go all the way there. I'm gonna insert a video so you see where there is, and then from there we're gonna do the jet skiing. Did I say we're doing jet skiing? If I didn't, I'm telling you now. If I did already, I'm telling you I can. I'm excited.
Like I know, see wait till you do. See when we go get it, why I like to listen. Got the money console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God. Make them they talk.
see they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we dey move back. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. These wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding
OMG, I just want to show you guys how gorgeous this toilet is. And when you talk about the elephant in the room, the big elephant in the room. Hi there, hair. What? Anyways, I just want to show you guys how gorgeous this toilet is. That's it. How pretty. Even the doors have like, I find this bathroom so pretty. What? Like, the camera isn't doing it justice. And I want to show you guys something that's in all the toilets here, like all the toilets. They have this next to the toilet, and this is a, so there's no need for your pussy to be stanky, bitch.
I love. Can I show my love for you?
Hi guys, so I think my toxic trait as a YouTuber is forgetting. Anyways, I think my toxic trait as a YouTuber is forgetting that, or forgetting what the last thing was that I vlogged. But anyways, today's Thursday. Today is it's technically, tomorrow was gonna be like my last. Today's my last full day, but my flight is very early in the morning, so I don't even know if I'm going to be sleeping tonight. You get me? Why is it not focused? Yeah, I don't even know if, you know, I'm gonna sleep tonight because my flight is at 5 a.m. So if the flight is at 5 a.m, what time am I going to the airport? Do you understand? So yeah, but today's, I just want to take a lot of pictures today, as many pictures as I possibly can. And then I also, yeah, I don't know what this man has planned, but we'll see what happens tonight. And yeah, let me show you guys, let me show you my baby shoes now, because they're so cute. Wait. So you see, everybody has these. I don't know if you guys can see. You see, everybody has these. But the ones that I saw and fell in love with are these. How cute are these Hermes sandals? Yo, Sana. I know not everybody's gonna like them, but for me, this is so cute. Right? Yeah, I don't know if they have it in my size. I might get it.
You can pretend you don't miss me. You can pretend you don't care. All you wanna do is kiss me. Oh, what a shame I'm not there. You can pretend you don't miss me. You can pretend you don't care. All you wanna do is kiss me. what you want. You can lie, but I know that you're not fine. Every time you talk, it's all about me, but you swear I'm not on your mind. You can pretend you don't miss me. You can pretend you don't care. All you wanna do is kiss me. Oh, what a shame I'm not there. Everybody knows you and I are suicide and stolen art. Pretty mama souls, stitches into all your bitches' broken heart. You can pretend you